I'm packaging up the Green Man tote bags for the runners-up of the subscriber draw, and I've got 4 to package up. However, only 3 people have been in touch with me, so I need Handmade Creations. If you're out there, you still haven't been in touch, and if you're not in touch within the next few days, then I will redraw for someone else. And I'm adding some of my vintage iron-on transfers. So they're going in the box. Keeps them flat. And I'm going to add in a few spare threads and some ribbon too. So that's all going to the runners-up. For Brenda, the winner, I haven't started her embroidery yet because it's just waiting a little bit till I get time to do it. But when I do it, you will see that too. But there's my 4th box all done. They're ready to go into their packages and they're getting sent off today. So if you were a lucky winner, you should be either have them already or you'll be nearly getting them, one or the other. Thanks everyone, and thanks for everyone who entered as well.